Yeah, so we got some pretty nasty looking clouds here and plenty of thunder, bit of lightning, and no wind. So yeah, it's kind of an odd combination of negatives. Of course, there was plenty of wind 10 minutes ago, and I took the sail down, and now the wind's totally died and this gust front is coming through or something. And yeah, I can see rain with that, so we'll see what happens with that. I suppose the alternative would be to just drop sail and anchor and sort of ride it out, which is a possibility. I'd like to kind of get out of the open if possible, though. Maybe up towards town a little bit further. But we'll see what this weather does. Nothing good for sure. Yeah, definitely some rain in there. The birds are chirping like crazy. They seem to be loving it. Anyway, still making my way upriver against the tide. Still a little bit of breeze, but not a lot. So we'll see how this goes. Bunch of boats just came upriver. Power boats running from the storm as well, so comes the rain. And a bit of a breeze too. Sail and hunker down. See ya.